What if the next iPhone that's supposed to look sleek and futuristic can't even last you a full day without begging for a charge? That's exactly what the latest rumor about the iPhone 17 Air is suggesting, while Apple fans were hoping for better battery life with every new model. It seems like the iPhone 17 Air might take a step back in that department. According to a known tipster, the phone's battery could be under 3,000 mAh. That's even less than some budget phones out there. To be clear, this doesn't mean it's totally unusable, but it does raise concerns about how it will hold up with everyday use, especially with all the premium features it's supposed to have. Apple's new iOS 26 will apparently try to balance this out with something called adaptive power. Basically, the phone will make smart decisions like lowering brightness or delaying background tasks to save power. But let's be honest, no one wants to use their phone in a downgraded mode all day just to keep it alive till bedtime. The battery-saving tricks might help it survive the day, but only just barely. In fact, Apple may even sell a separate battery case accessory, hinting that even they know this phone's battery might not cut it on its own. Now, the reason for this battery trade-off becomes clearer when you hear that the iPhone 17 Air is going to be just 5.5 millimeters thick. That's insanely thin, and with such a slim frame, there's just no room for a big battery. Earlier reports had already pointed to a 2,800 mAh battery, and now it looks like that's more than just a rumor. But don't let the thin profile fool you. This phone is not small by any means. It's rumored to come with a large 6.6-inch display, second only to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is expected to keep the 6.9-inch screen and get a massive 5,000 mAh battery. On top of that, the iPhone 17 Air will also have a 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes animations smoother but also eats through battery like crazy. Some reports say that 60 to 70% of users may still make it through the day without needing a charger, depending on how they use it. Others say the battery life might be similar to existing iPhones, thanks to Apple's efforts to redesign display parts and improve software power management. There's also talk of the iPhone 17 Air using Apple's in-house Wi-Fi chip and a custom C1 modem, both meant to be more energy efficient. So, while the battery might not be huge, Apple could be counting on its new tech and smarter software to stretch every drop of power. Now, let's talk design and performance. The iPhone 17 Air will likely stand out in the lineup with a titanium frame, something that's not coming to the other models. It's also expected to feature a single 48 megapixels rear camera housed in a rectangular camera bump, which is a fresh look compared to current models. Under the hood, it's powered by the brand new A19 chip built on a 3nm process and backed by 12 GB of RAM. That means performance will be top tier, no doubt about that. So the iPhone 17 Air sounds like a phone that's all about style, performance, and cutting-edge design, but with a big question mark on battery life. If you're someone who uses your phone heavily throughout the day, you might need to keep a charger or battery case nearby. Whether that's a deal breaker or not depends on how much you value a thin profile and sharp performance over all day. Battery confidence. Let us know what you think. Would you buy a phone this thin even if it barely lasts a day? Hit the like button if you enjoyed this breakdown and subscribe to our channel for more easy to understand tech updates.